Hi everyone and welcome to Lou's Brews. Today we are going to be going over the hydrometer and how it works. So you see there's various numbers on a hydrometer, if you can see it. Various numbers on there, and that will go up. So starting reading roughly say 1.000, and it goes up in twos or goes down in twos. So it would be 1.002, 1.004, and so on and so forth. So the way these work, they read gravity. So what you do is you put it in your alcohol before you pitch your yeast. So add your juice and your sugar or whatever you're using. Put that in your alcohol before you do your yeast. Take a reading. Your first reading will be higher, so lower down this. And then as your fermentation, take final reading fermentation at the end, and then that will go up. So take one at the beginning before you pitch your yeast, and take one at the end once fermentation is completed. Okay, so I've done a brew recently, so I'm just going to give you a couple of my figures here so you can sort of see how it works. So my starting reading on one of my brews recently was, I've got some notes down here, was 1.064, and then my final reading was 0.982. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that final reading away from that first reading, which is going to give me 0.082, and then I'm going to times that by 131.25, and that's going to give you how much percentage your ABV, your alcohol is. So my one recently was 10.7%, round that up 11%. So yeah, that's how the hydrometer works. There is various different types of these out there on the market. They all work slightly differently. I think they're all calibrated to a certain temperature, so they will vary slightly in your readings. But yeah, so that's how they work. If you guys have got any further questions, comment below and I'll be sure to answer. And if you like the video, like and subscribe.